Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to see how to sketch circles in SolidWorks. I'm continuing this sketch from where we left it in the last lecture. There are two types of circles in SolidWorks. The first one is a simple circle command. Just select a point to define the center of the circle and drag and click on another point to define the size or radius of the circle. Now let's go to Smart Dimension and give it a dimension, say a diameter of 100 millimeters. OK. Similarly, you can draw a few more circles. It's very simple. Now the next type is a perimeter circle. For this, let's first create a rectangle. We use a perimeter circle when we want to create a circle within a limited space. Now we will go to the perimeter circle and select 3 sides. The circle created will be tangent to the sides that you will select. See how the size of the circle changes when we select different sides of the rectangle. In the next lecture, we will learn about arcs and polygons. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.